Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Suno. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search about the application of Suno and we click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Suno, and then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again.